24 वाला जजमेंट देखे हैं?
हाँ नहीं, उसमें भी इसको भी कंसीडर किया होगा। 24 वाला जो है जो
किया होगा, आप अब किया होगा में आप चलिए, हम नहीं चल सकते। कुछ भी आप लोग को कुछ पता ही नहीं है भैया, ऐसे आप इस तरह से टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं। आप बताइए कौन सा जजमेंट है? टेबल पे छोड़ के आ गए तो who is responsible for this?
No, Rachel, I am getting the copy.
So getting means what? We are going to wait for you.
No. Till then, Rachel, there are 2-3 things.
Because you see, I'll tell you one thing. There is an allegation of 420 in favor of the person in whose favor, with regard to whom the mutation was done. 420 का allegation उस पे लगा दिया। आप लोग के किए बिना हो गया क्या? Are you aware that the income tax authorities who pass orders of assessment,
Yes.
appeal, the prosecution is lodged against them also.
Yes.
So you cannot say that this is 100% that if a person is exercising quasi-judicial function, then under such circumstances, no criminal case can be filed arising out of such an adjudication. So this plea is not available to you, and I have decided it also. Please, आप थोड़ा बोलना बंद करेंगे? हम एडजर्न नहीं कर रहे हैं ना। आप जितना बहस किया, आप लोग को तो कुछ सेटिस्फाई नहीं करते हैं, आधा पर्दा जजमेंट्स लाते हैं। आपको लेटेस्ट जजमेंट का पता ही नहीं है, आपको इनका 24 वाले जजमेंट का आइडिया है? You are not gone through. कल से यही चल रहा है सैंक्शन का कहानी। So 24 जजमेंट नहीं देखे हम। आप आग बंद कर लीजिए। आप अपना आग बंद कर लीजिए, हमसे नहीं होगा। ठीक है, हम कल इसलिए नहीं खोजे, हम सोचे इतने लर्नेड एडवोकेट्स लोग हैं,
मिस्टेक हो गया। हम क्योंकि 2015
मिस्टेक हमसे हो गया कि हम कल होमवर्क नहीं किया। हम आप लोग को कुछ नहीं बोल सकते। आपको कहाँ जुरिसडिक्शन आपको कुछ बोलने का? आपको तो आपके क्लाइंट लोग ही सुनाएंगे, हम लोग कुछ थोड़े बोल सकते। यू डोंट डू योर होमवर्क। आपको पता नहीं, कल ही से वो बोल रहे नया जजमेंट आया है 24 का, आपको कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।
He is not
pressing, but we are aware that there is a new judgment on this. कोई पॉइंट नहीं, 2017 से ये कहानी चल रही है।
एक पॉइंट केवल सुन लेते हैं।
अब हमको क्या सुनना है?
लिखाइएगा मत।
अब कौन सा कोर्ट में आएगा कौन जानता है? स्टे किसका स्टे?
प्रोसीडिंग का।
क्यों स्टे?
कंप्लेंट पे वहाँ प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं।
तो प्रोसीड कर रहा है। जो एक्यूज्ड है उसके अगेंस्ट प्रोसीड कर रहा है। वहाँ पे भी 319 हो सकता है, कौन जानता है? अब हमको आपकी बात सुनाई नहीं दे रही। बहुत सोच समझ के काउंटर एफिडेविट फाइल करिएगा, थोड़ा रिसर्च करके।
Item 6, Criminal Division 175 of 2018.
Only to recapitulate my case, but the impugned order is at page 66. May I refer?
You have read it?
Yes. Only to recapitulate.
आप तो ऐसे ही बोलिए ना, 2 मिनट, ऐसे नहीं पूरा आप रीडिंग फिर से चालू करें।
My lord, this impugned order, there was a complaint petition has been filed by the complainant, and 3 persons was added as an accused, proposed accused, but from the impugned order, only the cognizance has been taken against one, Padmalochan Tiwari, and rest 2 for the cognizance has not been taken.
Who is Padmalochan Tiwari?
Padmalochan Tiwari is the man against whom in favor of him the mutation has been allowed.
Okay. Mutation has been allowed in his favor.
Yes.
And he becomes an accused under section 420. But those persons who have allowed the mutation,
they have not been arrested.
They have not been.
Yes. This is my case. Now, my lord, annexure 1, I have placed essay of annexure 1, which starts from page 21.
At what stage the sanction will come? Sanction will be required at what stage?
Trial. Because my lord, in this case, complaint case was there. So, my lord, normally the rule is in GR cases, while submitting the charge sheet, the stage of sanction was there.
See, this particular whatever was the evidence collected was never sent to the sanctioning authority because it's a complaint case.
Cognizance has not been taken.
Just a moment.
Yes.
even before applying mind on cognizance, he says that the sanction should come prior to taking cognizance, right? So these, whatever was material collected during the
inquiry,
SA and inquiry, the matter should have been sent for sanction.
It has not.
And then only the order of cognizance should have been
Yes.
passed, because he says that prior to cognizance the sanction should come.
Yes.
Right.
But that exercise has never been done by the.
That exercise has not been done. Which judgment you say that the cognizance has to come prior to sanction?
Lots of candidates, 197, section
One case I am
197.
placing. One case I am
Like-
placing.
There is a judgment of Supreme Court. on this.
Yes, yes, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ही जजमेंट है, उसको प्लेस करना
197 CRPC, no?
Yes.
This is 319. Bolura.
हाँ,
Even
इसमें
at the stage of 319, the sanction is required.
मतलब
Kindly
the sanction is required at the time of trial.
319 because the prosecution will start at that stage.
That's
With
right.
respect to an accused who is being summoned at 319.
That's right.
A person who is sought to be made an accused, complainant will have to first seek sanction and then only can prosecute him.
That's right.
My lord, that is
This
not
is
the-
one.
That is,
Second.
my lord,
Let us see your judgment.
So there are other judgments of 2024 also.
my lord, that stage will come at the time of trial, my lord. At the stage of trial, only the sanction is required, my lord. It is the subtle principle of law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. ये
अरे
नंबर
भाई आप लोग नया जजमेंट नहीं देखे हैं।
Lordship 24 का है Lordship.
वही तो हम खोज रहे हैं, आप 21 का
I'm
जजमेंट
just
संभाल
I'm giving the judgment of
आप अपने
24.
मोबाइल नहीं रखे रहिए।
नहीं प्रिंट आउट मेरा टेबल में छूट गया है बस.
बहुत अच्छी बात।
इसमें लास्ट पैराग्राफ जो पैरा 11 है, लास्ट बट पैरा 11 क्लियर है मुझे।
That is a case of Sadhakari versus State.
पैरा 11 में कर लीजिए सिंपल लास्ट लाइन। The learned magistrate has correctly taken the view that if at all the said view of sanction is to be considered, it could be done at the stage of trial only.
कहाँ कौन सा पैरा 11?
ये पैरा 11 पढ़ रहे हैं।
2015 वाले जजमेंट का।
हाँ 20।
The allegation of indulgence.
But
आप पढ़िए ना।
the law,
अरे भाई पैरा 11 बोल के पढ़े नहीं जाते। पढ़िए the allegation of indulgence.
हाँ, the alleged indulgence of the officers in chief, fabrication of records or misappropriation cannot be said to be in discharge of their official duty. Their official duty is not to fabricate records or permit evasion of payment of duty and cause loss to the revenue. Unfortunately, the High Court missed this crucial aspect. The learned magistrate has correctly taken the view that if at all the said view of sanction is to be considered, it could be done at the stage of trial only.
You see, क्या नाम था उनका? बादल, क्या एक्यूज का नाम था?
Prakash Singh Bahadur.
Prakash Singh Badal में there was a ratio that for offence under section 8
ये
under
डिस्कस
the
है
provisions
पैरा
of
8 दिखा
IPC,
लेना पैरा 8 में डिस्कस है
the sanction may not be required because it cannot be said to be in discharge of official.
Yes.
Now Lordship kindly
Now
see
there is a
this case.
recent view
Yes.
dealing with Prakash Singh Badal's case.
इसमें भी है इसमें पैरा 8 देखिए पैरा 8 में
आप 2015 2024 वाला जजमेंट देखे हैं?
हाँ नहीं उसमें भी इसको भी कंसीडर किया होगा 24 वाला जो है जो
किया
हमने-
होगा आप अब
अब
किया
आप
होगा
समझ-
में आप चलिए, हम नहीं चल सकते।
नहीं वो जो हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट ही दे रहे
clarified,
हैं
your ladyship,
And-
as the purported discharge of duty and it has to have some nexus. In that case,
Where is that? Where is that judgment?
There is one judgment, A. Srinivasalu, from the Honorable Supreme
24.
24, but it is not the judgment that my learned senior friend is talking about. So I don't know which one is being referred to here.
कुछ भी आप लोग को कुछ पता ही नहीं है भाई, ऐसे आप इस तरह
नहीं,
से
ये
टाइम
judgment
वेस्ट
नहीं।
करते हैं।
No, no.
आप बताइए कौन सा जजमेंट है, टेबल पे छोड़ के आ गए तो हु इज रिस्पांसिबल फॉर दिस?
No, no, Lordship, I'm getting the copy.
So getting means what? We are going to wait for you.
No, no. Till then, Lordship,
Till then
Lordship,
what?
there are 2-3 things.
Because you see, I'll tell you one thing. There is an allegation of 420 in favor of the person in whose favor, with regard to whom the mutation was done. 420 का allegation उस पे लगा दिया। आप लोग के किए बिना हो गया क्या?
हम लोग तो दिखाए हैं Lordship ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स में what he is claiming.
We will only say if you are able to satisfy that prior to cognizance the sanction was required to be done. I will say that there is prima facie case and then you proceed for sanction.
Lordship, I'll show that there is no prima facie case also. Lordship, why?
You just tell us, can any mutation be
Lordship,
done
if the
without the officers?
Lordships, if a mutation is done by an officer, officer is justifying that on the basis of which it has been done.
When will you
Lordship,
justify?
When this registered
When
to
will
was-
you justify?
I have justified in the counter affidavit. I have brought the public documents on record. नहीं नहीं
And that's so allowed in a case.
One thing, एक minute. Lordships, here it is a case where this petitioner is the beneficiary of the missing of the documents. If any investigation or prosecution has to be done, it has to be done against this petitioner. Lordship,
Get
the
it
person
done.
in whose
Why don't
favor-
you do it?
Lordship, the person in whose favor mutation was done, that was an appealable order, attained finality in exercise of a quasi-judicial power. Not only this,
No.
Lordship, I'll just come to it, Lordships. When the register 2 was found to be damaged, I could not have passed an order directly. I had to refer it under the manual to the superior officials. I referred it to the superior official additional collector and said that this is the return filed by the Jamindar in 1950. His mother's name is there. It is a mutation sought to be made on the basis of inheritance.
So therefore,
Yes.
whatever materials are there, whatever materials you want to
Lordship,
place,
then your Lordship,
that has to be placed before the sanctioning
Lordship, that
authority,
whether
because
if-
we will not appreciate
No,
whatever
Lordship
you
will
are saying
appreciate
at
for
this
the
time.
reason. Lordship will see whether the analogy which the petitioner is trying to draw, if that is accepted, the
Mr.
situation.
Das, show me some judgment by which at the stage of discharge
Yes.
I can take note of.
Lordship, there are judgments that even for questioning, I will bring
482 नहीं exercise कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, आप revision exercise कर
Division
रहे हैं.
में at the stage of discharge,
Yes.
I can take into consideration documents which you are producing before this court by way of a counter affidavit. Show me some provision.
Yes, I'll show it to your Lordship. I'll
When?
bring the judgments on record, your Lordship.
My Lord,
Because yesterday Lordship said that very well. Lordship will give. I can show it from the documents. Lordship, a quasi-judicial order which is appealable in nature attains finality. Nobody challenges it.
Are you aware that the income tax authorities who pass orders of assessment
Yes.
appeal, the prosecution is lodged against them also.
Yes. If
So
there
you
is a
cannot say
delegation
that
of
this is 100% that if a person is exercising quasi-judicial function, then under such circumstances, no criminal case can be filed arising out of such an adjudication.
Lordship,
So this plea is not
This
available
plea is
to you,
not
and I have
acceptable.
decided it also.
Yes. Now, Lordship,
I've
coming to the
decided
facts.
it in one
Coming to
case.
the facts of the case. Lordship, may kindly see. One by one, I'll just show it. What my learned friend
My
is
Lord,
claiming.
Before he is placing a lot, I would like to place 2 to 3 documents which I have placed.
Or may I
yesterday
suggest one
also.
thing, Lordships?
Yesterday
Let it
also,
come
my
in the next week. I will bring that judgment also, Lordships, because by mistake it has been left in my table, Lordship, today in the preparation. And I'll satisfy your Lordship that prima facie he has not been able to make out a case. Even this was a case where cognizance was not even warranted against the person against whom it has been taken. I have gone through each and every line of the documents and if filed by
My
the
Lord,
petitioner,
my Lord, one-
I'll show it
two
from him.
documents I
He
will-
was trying to take cue from my documents. That also I'll show Lordships. My bona fide as a public officer, I did not take any decision
We
on my
heard
own.
the please
He's
hold
mollified
on.
in
Please
this-
hold on.
Yes.
The learned counsel for the parties are present. The
एक
learned-
डॉक्यूमेंट केवल उसके पहले देख
प्लीज आप थोड़ा बोलना बंद करेंगे क्या?
मुझे प्लीज
हम एडजर्न ही कर रहे हैं ना, आप जितना बहस किए आप लोग को तो कुछ सेटिस्फाई नहीं करते हैं, आधा पर्दा जजमेंट्स लाते हैं, आपको लेटेस्ट जजमेंट का पता ही नहीं, आपको इनका 24 वाले जजमेंट का आइडिया है? यू आर नॉट गॉन थ्रू, कल से यही चल रहा है सैंक्शन का कहानी.
My Lord, I have relied upon the one judgment, my Lord, 2015.
तो 24 जजमेंट नहीं देखे हम. आप आग बंद कर लीजिए,
मिस्टेक हमसे
आप अपना आग बंद कर लीजिए, हमसे नहीं होगा.
नहीं उनके पास कैसे
ठीक है, हम कल इसलिए नहीं खोजे, हम सोचे इतने लर्नेड एडवोकेट्स लोग हैं,
No,
कुछ
Lordship, I
जजमेंट
brought
मिस
in
करेंगे.
the- it was my
मिस्टेक हो गया हम क्योंकि 2015
मिस्टेक हमसे हो गया कि हम कल होमवर्क नहीं किया. हम आप लोग को कुछ नहीं बोल सकते
मजबूर
हैं।
तो
आपको
करके
कहाँ
आते हैं।
जुरिस्डिक्शन आपको कुछ बोलने का? आपको तो आपके क्लाइंट लोग ही सुनाएंगे, हम लोग कुछ थोड़े बोल सकते हैं। यू डोंट डू योर होमवर्क। आपको पता नहीं, कल ही से वो बोल रहे नया जजमेंट आया है 24 का, आपको कोई मतलब ही नहीं है।
He is not placing.
He is not pressing, but we are aware that there is a new judgment on this.
He must place. If he is submitting, I have submitted.
Criminal Revision number 175 of 2018. The Learned Counsel for the parties are present. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the Jamabandi was running in the name of the petitioner,
Father.
in the name of the father of the petitioner, and it was fraudulently passed in the name of the accused, namely Padam Lochan Ram Tiwari. He submits that the matter arises out of complaint case and by the impugned order whereby the learned court was considering the point of issuance of summons. The cognizance was taken only against the accused Padam Lochan Ram Tiwari under section 420 of Indian Penal Code. But so far as the other two accused, namely the Halka Karamchari, namely Chandra Prakash Mehta and Seema Kumari, the deed and circle officer who had facilitated the crime, no cognizance has been taken.
Sinha Anchal.
He has submitted that in the solemn affirmation, the petitioner had fully supported the prosecution case, and therefore the impugned order calls for interference.
One more thing was there. If your lordship may please,
बताइए।
हम ये स्टडी भी किए थे। पेज 54 एक बार देखा। पेज 54 सेम अथॉरिटी है, सीओ श्री शशांक कुमार पिता प्रेम कुमार खत्री लोहरदगा के जांच प्रतिवेदन के संबंध में।
This you have exhibited before the court.
Yes.
The learned counsel.
Certified copy है। Certified copy.
The learned counsel submits that on 13/6/2014, the circle officer had observed by document as contained in page 54 that the registered 2 was missing.
No.
And the mutation in the name of Padam Lochan Tiwari was made soon thereafter.
Soon thereafter, soon before madam, soon before, and इनका document है annexure E.
Soon before.
हाँ 7/3/14 का.
Okay. Soon before the issuance of letter dated 13/6/2014.
Yes. 7/3/14 का.
The learned counsel submits that this apparently goes to show that the mutation was done without verifying the records. The registered 2 was not available. On the point of sanction for prosecution, with regard to the circle officer and Halka Karamchari, the learned counsel submits that the matter arises out of complaint case and there was no occasion to place the matter for sanction for prosecution. He has also submitted that the sanction for prosecution has to come at the stage of trial, for which he has relied upon the judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court reported in bracket 2015 bracket close 13 SCC 87, and has submitted that the allegation of officers in cheating, fabrication of record or misappropriation cannot be said to be in discharge of their official duty. He has also relied upon the judgment passed, the judgment reported in bracket 2021 bracket close 8 SCC
2008
Okay, you are-
2008
sorry.
Bholuram ka case.
And has also relied upon judgment reported in bracket 2008 bracket close 9 SCC 140
Para 61.
and has para
61.
para 61.
That, third line, fourth line from the top.
He has submitted that a point as to need or necessity of sanction can be taken during the conduct of trial or at any stage of the proceedings. However, the said judgment was arising out of a person who was made accused by exercise of power under section 319 of CIPC.
One more judgment is there with regard to take
The learned counsel
power.
appearing on behalf of the private opposite party. You are for the state?
No,
I'm
On behalf of the private opposite party has opposed the prayer and has submitted that the circle officer and Halka Karamchari were exercising their power by way of exercising quasi judicial power, and under such circumstances no prosecution could lie against them. He has further submitted that even the issuance of summons against accused Padam Lochan Ram Tiwari for offence under section 420 is not in accordance with law, inasmuch as if any party was aggrieved by the order of mutation, he has a remedy under law. The learned counsel submits that Padam Lochan Ram Tiwari is the descendant of the recorded Rayat. The learned counsel has further submitted that at the stage of issuance of summons itself, the prosecution sanction was required. In such circumstances also, the impugned order dated 19/12/2017 does not call for any interference. He has submitted that he shall produce judgments with regard to the requirement of sanction on the next date of hearing. In response, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner is claiming the property on the basis of registered sentence. चलिए कब करना?
cognizance जो है वो लिए उसको
एक
sanction के
चीज
point-
और the learned counsel for the opposite
Sanction part-
the learned counsel for the private opposite party has also referred to the counter affidavit to submit that various documents have been placed on record to show that no prima facie case has been made against the private respondents. उनका जो response लिखे ना उसके बाद लिखेगा. The learned counsel has submitted that the documents which have been produced by the petitioner in the counter affidavit cannot be taken into consideration
and impugned order
At
has
the
not been passed
at this
for
stage.
sanction for want of sanction it has never been passed by order. Only on the basis of documentary evidence.
The
and
learned counsel has
materials.
also submitted that the impugned order refusing to proceed against the private respondents was not passed by referring to absence of sanction.
And one more
He has
judgment.
also submitted that there has been the matter arising out of complaint petition was not placed before the sanctioning authority. State को क्या बोलना है? आप counter affidavit file करिए अपनी. You file your counter affidavit. The learned counsel for the state is directed to seek instructions and file counter affidavit in this case. And also place on record the stage at which the prosecution sanction is required with respect to the alleged offence. Stage खाली बताइए, बाकी आप इनको counter file करिए. कौन file करेगा counter? Who will file the counter? Some
DC.
higher authority will
DC,
file.
DC.
DC क्यों file करेंगे counter?
LRDC or
नहीं, the counter affidavit of the state should come from the Secretary of Personal and Administrative Reforms Department.
land and revenue.
Okay, Land and
Land and
Revenue Department. Secretary, Land and Revenue Department, State of Jharkhand. the affidavit should be sworn by the secretary himself.
मतलब one more point is
अब कोई पॉइंट नहीं, 2017 से ये कहानी चल
नहीं,
रही है।
एक पॉइंट केवल सुन लेते हैं।
अब हमको क्या सुनना है?
लिखाइएगा मत।
अब
केवल
कौन सा
सुनिए।
कोर्ट में आएगा कौन जानता है?
ये मालूम since my lord is adjourning and case is in the progress, my lord. So I am praying the stay till the next date, my lord.
स्टे किसका स्टे?
प्रोसीडिंग का
क्यों स्टे?
कंप्लेंट के वहाँ प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं।
तो प्रोसीड कर रहा है। जो एक्यूज है उसके अगेंस्ट प्रोसीड कर रहा है। वहाँ पे भी 319 हो सकता है, कौन जानता है?
हाँ,
लोअर कोर्ट का स्टेटस हम लोग चेक कर रहे थे बिकॉज़ वांटेड टू इन्फॉर्म द कोर्ट। लॉर्डशिप लास्ट 2017 से ही अपीयर 2018 से अपीयर ही नहीं किए।
नहीं किया हमने।
my petition
The intention is-
my petition was pending before the court below, my lord. And my lord, one more thing is there, my lord. It
Pose
is
this
not
case
the
on-
province of the magistrate to go to inquire into the matter at the time of at the
अब
stage
हमको
of
आपकी बात सुनाई नहीं दे रही।
सुन लेते एक लाइन मैडम तो केस के लिए अच्छा रहता
कब रख दें बताइए?
After 3 weeks.
Okay. Post this case on 25th of September 2024 in the supplementary cause list. The counter affidavit of the aforesaid authority should be filed by 23rd of September.
है।
बहुत सोच समझ के काउंटर एफिडेविट फाइल करिएगा, थोड़ा रिसर्च करके।
One thing may be indicated in the order set, my lord, that no further adjournment shall be granted, my lord, since the matter is old one.
हम इस तरह का ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं कर सकते।